Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tony Simoni, and today we are looking at a very wonderful topic, and I believe God it will bless you. Before you say I do, there are a few principles that you must be aware of before you go into a relationship, because the devil is angry anytime he sees marriage. The devil is not happy that any Christian, anybody on earth should get married. Firstly, the first principle that I want you to know today is that before you want to commit yourself to him or her, you have to understand if this person fears God. You have to understand, you must know if this person fears God. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. A man that does not fear God will not fear anybody. Many ladies will say, no, I will change him when I get married to him. I'm going to change him. It's not true. He will end up changing you. Don't commit yourself to any relationship that the guy or the lady does not have the fear of God. It's a danger zone. It's a zone that you don't want to tread on. Make sure that you are able to see in him that he has the fear of God. Now, let's go to number 2. Number 2 is compatibility. You must be compatible with him. He has to be compatible with you. If there is no compatibility, you will face problems. You will have problems. And when I speak of compatibility, I'm talking about likes and dislikes. What are the things that he likes doing? What are the things that he does that you don't like? These are things you must see in marriage. Many people prepare for wedding. They don't prepare for marriage. And it's a great pain. They can spend so much preparing for that faithful Saturday. But what happens the rest of your life? It is important you know that you have to be compatible with this person. If you know that he doesn't, you guys do not share the same thoughts. You guys do not share the same feelings. He doesn't believe what you believe. You don't believe what he believes. Then there is a problem. You've got to watch out for compatibility. Number 3, there must be financial power. He must be hardworking, or you must be hardworking. There must be something that brings money home. He must be able to take care of himself before he's able to take care of you. It is important you understand this principle. Number 4, before you get married to a man or a woman, play little tests. Sometimes observe his character. Sometimes just try him, test him, so that you know if he's able to tolerate you when certain things happen at home. You see, many ladies do not actually look out for these things. What they look out for, is he educated? Is he handsome? Is she beautiful? Please, these things I'm telling you, they are very important. Because if he cannot tolerate your weaknesses, then you are in problems. So make sure, just play a little game. Test him. Observe his character. Marriage is actually a risk because you don't know him, you don't know her, you don't know their backgrounds. Number 5, you must be attracted to the partner you are getting married to. Some pastors will tell you, no, you don't need to look at the physique, you need to look at the content, the character. Friends, let me tell you the truth. If you are not contented with someone you want to get married to, tomorrow you look for somebody else. Make sure that you are attracted to the person. Don't get married to somebody, say, and he has money, he's not handsome, but he has money, I'll manage him. You can't manage him because you're not getting married to money. Observe these things I've said today. They may be able to put you on the right track. Number 1, I said he must have the fear of God. Number 2, there must be compatibility. Number 3, there must be financial power. Number 4, sometimes observe him and play a little test. Number 5, you must be attracted to him, or he must be attracted to you. Attraction is very important. It is my prayer for you that you will not make mistake in marriage. Young lady, you won't make mistake. The Almighty God will guide you and release upon you the spirit of revelation to be able to know in details the person you're getting married to. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching. Alright guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime my programs are coming, you'll get a notification. The Lord bless you and keep you real good. I'll see you next time.